Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix speaker not working on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Let's begin! First of all, let's go into our volume buttons here and let's click either of one. As you can see, we are raising volume above ground level. It doesn't really matter. Let's click the three dots here that appear, and now we have 5 sliders. Each slider corresponds to other source of volume, let's say. And of course, if we have all of them to the lowest, then our speakers will basically do nothing, and we might think that they will do nothing and that they are not working. But probably the most important one is the media volume, which is... Wait, that's ring volume, notification volume? Oh, here it is, media volume, which is probably the most important one out of all. And it's usually used when we want to watch YouTube, for example, and every other thing. And if it's set to like something like this, you may see that it's actually muted, then our speaker simply doesn't work. Of course, if your physical buttons also don't work, well, first of all, that's a shame, because not having them is a big minus to quality of life, but you can gain access to these settings by going into the settings themselves, like this, then scrolling down a little and going into sound and vibration. And as you can see, in here we have the exact same options. We have media volume, call volume, ring volume, also notifications and alarm volume, and well, yeah, it's basically the same thing that we would have right here. And now we might want to make sure that our media volumes are all set to some value, not being muted, but some value at all, so we are sure that this works indeed. But what if, even though we have it set to maximum level, it still doesn't work? Well, there are sometimes situations in which we have connected a Bluetooth device onto our normal phone, which makes it redirect our voice or sounds in general. And if we expand this drop-down menu, you may see that I am actually connected to headphones working via Bluetooth. Now we can go into this here and then settings icon, and we can technically disable media audio, but then you will see that actually our our headphones are now pretty useless. So let me quickly enable it back. And as you can see, now all our audio will be transferred into headphones. So if you have forgotten that you have headphones connected, which tends to happen especially if you have earbuds, not headphones, then you might seem, or you might think, that your speakers are not working. And technically that is true, because they are physically not doing anything, because they know that the job of playing you sound is on headphones, not on them. But if you don't want your Bluetooth to interfere with that, you can just simply turn off the Bluetooth completely to rule out redirecting every possible source of audio, or rerouting, you know, it's basically the same. And yeah, that's basically all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!